Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to USTC update today. So ever since this pump happened, 240% move to the upside. I do believe that this move down may have been a little bit healthy. Okay, this is like a move up, a correction to the downside. Maybe we might see another push to the upside. Now if you do compare this coin alongside with Luna Classic, let's actually see what's going on, because there's some similarities that may happen. So if you do look at Luna Classic, the same thing happened where you really pushed up, you came down, and then you pumped up, right? Isn't this like a very similar situation that if you watched yesterday's video, and if you're new, do actually subscribe to this channel, you may never see it again. And this is exactly what I was talking about. Yes, you actually did move down, but I do believe that certainly you might be looking to push back up once again. You might actually do that. And there are some few further evidence that actually supports the idea that we may actually see another push for USTC. And it's actually this one ascending triangle. So look at this ascending triangle, right? So you do have this one right here and this right there. Now the break hasn't happened. Be careful. We need a very clear breakout. So if you do try to buy here without any break, then you can actually risk like 7% or 2%. But the technical target that you get out of this ascending triangle is the following. You go from there to there, and you may actually see if you break above, then you're looking for 6302. There's one more thing I still need to mention, and that is if you look at this coin, then it's also breaking above something, if you notice. So if I do bring this one, little bit of that pattern right there, actually let's remove all the drawings so that I can show you from scratch again. So if you do have this little bit of, you know, a breakout here, did you see that? All right, this was your resistance. I just noticed this was your resistance, and you can see that you pretty much are breaking above it. Okay, you're pretty much breaking above this area, so something good may actually happen here. And if this is a whole pattern, then you may be looking at a technical target for USTC to go from there to there, and it actually can move back up to 7214 once again. Now it's possible, it's really possible, because the last time you really pumped, you went down and then you pumped back up, and then you came down, you pump back up. So we can actually expect some things like where you're just pumping and then you're coming down like this, and then you're pumping up again and you come back up to that technical target and try to take a lot of stop losses. But however, keep in mind that yes, you're breaking from there, and you know, moving up here is also realistic to happen. But then again, when you move up there, this is where you have another problem. This is where resistance is actually sitting. So one resistance is actually down here, you break above it, and this is the second resistance. Break above here, maybe you might be looking for very, very big push. I do believe if you're taking this high in the future, maybe come down, retest, and then boom, you push all the way really up. And maybe by up, we might be looking at from a technical target from there to there, and you may be looking at 0.14 something, right? And that's going to be incredible. As a matter of fact, from the time that I bought down at 0.08, I might be actually up, yeah, 12x. I may be 12x up, which is pretty amazing. Right, and that's it for this USDC update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.